That little branch down there is helping it.
Hold up, Charlie. Hold up.
And don't lose your don't.
Just took off one branch.
Well, you got to come back a little bit, let him secure you, and then finish the job.
Huh? He's gonna anchor you.
Oh. And then.
You don't got your chainsaw, do you? No.
You're gonna go forward a bit, because you got a good foot slack in that anchor.
You're right. You're tied up, Charlie. You can move ahead a little bit to tighten up your anchor. There you go. There you go. You don't need no chainsaw. Hold up, Charlie. Oh, you lost your dad. Hold up, Charlie. You got a couple trees you're taking out. Back up a little bit. Oh, we can go.
I think we can.
Back up just a hair if you can. Yeah. All right, hold up.